Hey guys, hats off to you. Kilby Browne with the Property Hats team, talking New York City realty. Coming at you with my rental tip of the day. The market's hot, properties are moving quickly. But if you are trying to apply for a property and you need a guarantor and you are not a U.S. citizen or don't have U.S. credit, you can do two things. One is you can use a third-party company to be the guarantor, or I can find you places on the other side of the river in New Jersey that actually you can prepay up to 6 months rent. Now, you're no longer allowed to prepay rent in New York City, but I can find you a place really quickly. So if you're going to NYU, Columbia, Pace, one of these places, come to school here, I have a solution for you. You can prepay rent. You do not need a guarantor. Reach out to me, Kilby. I got some solutions for you. We'll talk soon. Good luck at school.